Glass Simple presents changing the 90-degree pivot pin to the 85-degree pin. The standard pivot hinge is designed with a 90-degree pivot pin to self-center the door just in line with the door strike. To close inward tightly against a strike jamb, we have to change the 90-degree pin to an 85-degree pin. First, you'll need to determine which pin to use for the top and bottom pivot. The pins are marked with a 1 and 2. The 1 pin is used for the top left and bottom right pivot. The 2 pin is used for top right and bottom left pivot. To begin, remove the screw that attaches the pivot base to the body of the pivot. Now remove the inside cover plate. Loosen all 4 Allen screws on the side of the hinge by unscrewing 3 full rotations. Twist the pin to remove it easily. Be careful not to lose the metal spacer that is placed at the top of the pin. If the spacer comes out with the pin, it will need to be reinserted with the new pin. Transfer the grease from the old pin to the new one. Before inserting the new pin, use an Allen wrench or screwdriver to seat the metal spring retainers flush inside the cavity to allow for the new pin to slide in easily. Insert the new pin and the metal spacer if it came out with the original pin. Tighten the Allen screws so they are just flush with the body of the pivot. Before continuing the assembly of the pivot, take a good look at the pivot hinge, ensuring that it is pitched in the proper direction. Now reattach the inside cover plate. Now the pivot is set at 5 degrees inward, allowing for a tight seal against the strike jamb. Glass Simple, simplifying the glass hardware industry.